Hi dear students, have a nice day. Okay, what present today? Very good. Do you remember the last class? Last class we explained the measures of angles. Okay, we find it. It was very pleasure to show everyone exactly the work. Thanks everyone. Okay, then clear one by one day. You clear your notebook and show me. So I am very happy this moment. Oh students in the class, show your notebook. Okay, very good. Then continue this. Today I explain to you. Let us do the measures of angles. The chapter parallel lines continue here. Okay, here draw a triangle. Sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Thus remember, then use here different types of angles here. Classifications of angles already know that corresponding angles, alternate angles, opposite angles. That angles also use this figure. Okay, then find it all measures of angles. Okay, look here. First draw. Okay, then draw then join it. Join it. Here a triangle. Then draw a parallel again. Parallel. Okay. Then name them A, B, C, D, E. A. Okay. Angle A, B, D, E. B, D, E. Here C. Okay. Here 80 degree. Here B. Angle B 80 degree. Angle B 80 degree. Angle E 60 degree. They already given us. Then we want to find it other measures of angles. Thus using the classifications of angles, alternate, opposite and corresponding angles use and find it all measures of angles. Okay, now look at here. Here look, we want to find it here the angle ABC. Angle A, triangle ABC. Here 80 degree they given us. Okay, then we want to find it angle C, angle A. Okay, ready? Look at and come to the point. Angle BAC. We want to find here. Only look here. Angle BAC. Here we want to know that. Here look, that's a similar position. Okay, similar position. What's the angle? Say that answer. Say, Khadija, say. Yes, similar position, corresponding angle. Here already they given us 60 degree. So here corresponding angles. Look, I draw a line. Here, here, 1. Then look here corresponding. Look, same to same. Similar position BAC and angle DEC. Angle DEC already they given us 60 degree. So angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to here 60 degree. So 60 degree. Then write. What's right there? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Here 60 degree. Simple. Get it? Okay. Then look. Here we want to know that angle C, angle D. Okay. Here again look. Here angle triangle ABC is here 80 degree. Angle ABC. Look, be careful. Okay. This is very simple. Otherwise it is confused it. So look, be careful in my class. Okay. Then after you completed your notebook. Now you listen. Be careful. Okay. Watching here. Very good. Then angle ABC. How many degree? 80 degree. Okay. Then also here look, that's ABC 1. Then EDC corresponding the same similar position. First one this. Then this. Similar position. Correct. Clear? Okay, here also a 80 degree. That's name right here, angle EDC. Angle DEC is equal to 80 degree. That's a say that answer. Okay, Muhammad, Sinan, say. What's the answer? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angle. Here look. This once more. A, here B. BAC 1, then DEC same position. Okay, similar position here 60 degree. That name also you know that. BAC 60 degree, angle DEC 60 degree. First corresponding angle. Then get here. Then look here. Angle ABC 80 degree. Angle ABC 80 degree. Angle EDC same position. Okay, same position 80 degree. Simple. Then here only one angle we want to find here. Okay, angle C. That's very simple. Angle C. Look. Here already we get first already they given us 60 degree. Okay, then we want to get others measures of angles using alternate or corresponding angles. Using these angles we get others measures here. Here 80 degree, 60 degree. Angle B 80 degree, angle A 60 degree, angle C we want to find here. The sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. So simple. Here want to know that ACB. We want to know that we want to find it here angle C. So that letter write in middle. Okay, we write a name, angle name. Here angle ACB. Angle ACB is equal to 180 minus here 6. Here already they given us. This is the angle. Okay, this is the angle. Already we get 80 and 60. 80 plus 60 degree. Then ACB is equal to 180 minus 80 plus 60. 140. Okay, then minus, subtract it. We get 40 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 40 degree. Angle ACB. We want to know that C. That is 40 degree. Here write 40 degree. Got it? Then draw this picture, this figure and write down this. Then get all measures of angles. Oh, the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Here prove. Now here prove that. Okay. Then write angle ABC, angle A 60 degree, angle B 80 degree, and angle C 40 degree. And here also corresponding angles get, then we get these angles. Okay, right. Then clear. Right. Okay. Next, may I rub? Come to the point. Next, I explain to you. Draw a parallel line. Then find it others measures also here. That's very simple. We already do some problems here. So this is very simple to find it. Okay, draw a line PQ and RS. Okay, draw a line PQ and RS. Named them. Here line PQ. R S. Draw a line. This is a parallel line. Okay. RS. This is RS to the parallel to PQ. Okay. Then we joined it using a line here. Then join. Joined. Here one line. Joined. Then again here also we joined. And named them T. Okay. Okay, very good. Here 60 and 40. Here 60 degree. Here 40 degree. Then want to find it others measures here. Here no. Here first look here two triangle here. Here two triangle here. One of them. This one. Okay. And second one. First one triangle. Second one triangle. Here already they given us angle P 60 degree, angle Q 40 degree. Okay. Then we want to, there's 1, 2, 3. Then using here alternate and opposite angle use here. Then find out all measures of angles. Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Yes, come to the point. Here look. First we want to know that angle PTQ. Here once find here T. Okay, T. So write angle PTQ. Here we want to know, we want to find it a T. So here write the letter middle of the name. Okay, middle of the names of the angle. Okay. Look, that's very simple. Look here, 60 and 40. The measures of angle. Here one angle, here second angle. Here sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. That use here 180 minus 60 plus 40. That's equal to 180 minus 100. Then 80 degree. Here look, 180 minus 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40. That is equal to 180 minus 100. Then is equal to 80 degree. Here get 80 degree. Get it. Simple. 80 degree. Here get angle P 60 degree, angle Q 40 degree, angle T 80 degree. That's very simple. Here prove. What's prove here? Oh, sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Here prove. Okay. Look here. Here want to know that RST. Look. Here T already know that 80 degree. As 80 just last class you know that opposite angle. Opposite. Okay. Here 80. Then RTS. Angle RTS is equal to 80 degree. Then write here opposite angle. Opposite angle 80. Here write 80 degree. Got it? Next we want to know that angle S, angle R. First we want to know that angle R. Okay, simple. Here look, here what's the angle? Do you remember? Last class, 5th part and 3rd part, that class already I explained to you alternate angle. Okay, reverse position. Do you know? Okay, come to the point. Here Adhinan, stand up and say. Here stand up. Okay, correct. Very good. That's a 40. Here alternate angles 40 here. 40 degree. Then we want to write that name here. SRT. Okay. Angle SRT is equal to SRT is equal to 40 degree. 40 degree. That's a which angle? Alternate angle. Alternate angle. Next we want last one. Okay, angle S. Look here, how much degree? 60 degree. That is same to same here. That a reverse position. Reverse similar position, corresponding angle. Here 60 degree. Here 60 degree. Reverse position, alternate angle. Here 60 degree. Alternate angle. Next we write the name and measures also write down here. Here RST. We want to know that S, angle S. So here write the name, the angle name right here. R, look up, RST. First we write here, we want to know R, angle R. So write SRT. First write. Then here write RST. Angle RST is equal to 60 degree. That's also alternate angle. Okay, right, come to the point once more. Explain, draw a parallel line, two parallel line. Here PQ and RS. Here one of them right here. PQ and RS. PQ and RS are parallel line. Are parallel line. Lines. Okay, this also write there. Okay, PQ and RS are parallel line. Then join these lines, diagonals, two diagonals, and get two triangle there, opposite triangle. That's also equal. Look here, 60 degree, 80 degree, 40 degree. That's equal 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay. 60, 40, 100. 100 plus 80, 180 degree. That's we prove here. This is a triangle. Then also look here. This also 40, 60, 100. 100 plus 80, 180 degree. Here also prove that this is a triangle. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Clear? Right? Okay, right? Right? Very good. May I run? This also very important. These names, what's the angles used here? Only this not right. These angles names also right. That's very important. Okay. PQ and RS are parallel lines. May I run? Come to the point. Next figure. Okay. Let us draw a line A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B. Here name A, B. Another parallel line C, D. Okay. Then we find it here. This is a line here. A, B, C, D, E. Here named them G. Okay. They already given us two measures here. Here 45 degree. Here 35 degree. Okay. Here 45 degree. Here 35 degree. And we want to draw a line, parallel line through this G. A, B, one line, and C, D, first draw is parallel. Okay, parallel. That's name C, D and A, B. A, B and C, D are parallel. First we write here A, B and C, D are parallel lines. AB and CD are parallel line. Then look another parallel line here GH. These parallel lines to the CD. Okay, GH parallel to the CD. Here we want to know that all measures of angles here. Here one angle, here look, here one angle and here another angle. Okay, we want to know that. Here using alternate angles or corresponding angles using and find it all measures of angles. Okay, last class already know, and just a minute I explain to you what's the alternate angles and show here. Okay, and look, come to the point. Here look, first we want to know that here find it 45 degree H, G, F, F, G, H. Okay, here know that G, here. Follow. So that name, that angle name, that letter also write in middle. F, E, F, G, H. Angle F, G H. Here look, here 45. This also alternate. Alternate. Look, this here and only look. Here also 45 degree. First look here. This 45 degree, only 45 degree. Okay, then that's a reverse position. Here look, 45 degree. Here write 45 degree. That's a which angle here? Alternate angle. Alternate angle. Get here 50, 45 degree. Get done. Then want to find it here also find. Okay, here find it this position. We want to now here find it a 45 degree. Then next we want to find here this position. Okay, only this position. Look, the top of the this horizontal line. Okay, E G H, E G H, angle E G H, E G H, that's equal to, we want to find it here. He already know that this angle A E G 35 degree. Look, A E G, only this look, A E G 35 degree. Okay, A E G 35 degree. So E G H, that reverse position here. This one of them, that reverse position, only look here, this reverse position. First we write here A E G, A E G 35 degree. Okay, that A E G is equal to 35 degree. 35 degree. So A E G 35. Then we want to know that angle E G H, E G H, that also a 35 degree. 35 degree. This is a alternate angles. This also a alternate angle. Alternate angle. Okay, alternate angle. Here get all angles. Look, first this angle CFG or GFC. Look, only this GFC, GFC is equal to 45 degree. Already they given us. Then use alternate angle and use another one of them here. Here GEF 45 degree. So here 45 degree of GH, of GH 45 degree. Okay, that's clear. This is the alternate angles. Here 45 degree, here 45 degree. That's one, this number one. That's the reverse position, this. Simple. And look, here AEG 1. That reverse position EGH 35 degree. Got it? So here we want to know that EGF that angle. Angle EGF. EGF. Look. EG here 35, then here 45. That same to same, this we add here. First we want to find it this position, lower position and upper position, second one find it. Then this total measure, this angle, look, EGH. So 35 plus 45 is equal to 80 degree. This is equal to 80 degree. This here 80 totally, here how much degree? 80 degree. Okay, how much degree? 80 degree. 35 plus 45. Got it? Clear? This we want to symbol, already they given us 45 degree this angle and 35 angle. Then we want to find it the symbol using alternate angle here. Here 45, this is alternate angle, and this also alternate angle, 35, 35. Then get EGF. Okay, EGF or FGE, same to same. That this total 35 plus 45 is equal to 80 degree. Then find it all measures. Okay, draw this picture, draw this figure and write this. This must, you should write these names also. Okay, A, B, C, D. First we draw A, B, C, D. That's a parallel line. Then draw 45 degree and 35 degree. Next, already they given us here 45, here 35 degree. Then we draw a parallel line to CD, GH, named them. Okay, follow? Clear? Right? Very good. Okay, now explain. May I rub? May I rub? Look here, this is a triangle. Okay, we named them Q, Q, P, R, S, T, P, R, S, T. Okay, ready? Look here, this is a triangle and draw a parallel line and find it all angles here. Okay. Here note that here this is Q is the common angle of this angle. Here two angle here. Okay, two triangle here. Q is the common angle. First we write that Q is equal to angle Q is equal to common angle. Okay, common angle. Then here two angles here. One angle, one small angle, smaller angle, and one of them big angle, large angle, large angle, large angle. This is the large angle. PQR, large angle. Angle PQR, large angle. Large angle. PQR. Here prove that these angles are equal. Okay, now we can understand and prove here the angles are same or equal. Here PQR, large angle. And look here, SQT, SQT, angle SQT, small angle. Write down. First, Q is the common angle of these two angles. Okay, Q is the common angle of these two angles. And here large angle is PQR. PQR, large angle. And small angle SQT. Okay, right. Q is the common angle. Angle PQR is large angle and SQT is the small angle. Right. Common angle. Angle PQR is the large angle. Angle SQT is the small angle. Right. We come to the point, some measures here. Here 60 degree, here 40 degree. They already given us 60 degree. May I rub? Look, here two angles. Then we want to here 60 degree. Then that very simple. Here and here, angle P and angle R. We know we want to find it here, angle P, angle R and angle S and angle 40. Here look, here we want to using here, using a corresponding angles here, here and here. Here look 60 degree, here one 60 degree. QS, here named T. QST here 60 degree, that's also TSP or PST. PST. Look, PST is equal to 60 degree. Here also PST. Corresponding angles here 60 degree. Corresponding angle. Okay, here one of them we want to find here 60 and 40 here. Then that's very simple to know that angle S. QST. QST. We want to know that S. So here already they given us 60 and 40. So 180 minus 60 plus 40 is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Here 80 degree. Okay, here 80 degree. Get here already they given us 60 degree and 40 degree. That's plus 60 plus 40 is equal to 100. That's very simple. The sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. So 180 minus 100. So get here 80 degree. This small angle. Total measures of small angle is 180. Small angle of 180 degree. Got it? Done. Here look. Here 60. Here look. Here 40 degree. Same position, similar position. Here 40 degree. And here 80 degree. 80 degree. 60, 40. Here 60, here 60. That's using the corresponding angles. Here also using corresponding angles. Here 40 degree. 60 plus 40, 100. 100 plus 80, 180. Here also 180 degree. So this small angle and this look up. degree. Look up. Small angle. 60, 80, 40. Okay. Small angle. 60, 40, 80. 60 plus 40 plus 80. 180. Got it? The small angle. Then we want to know, look at the blackboard. Large angle. PQR. Large angle. P80, Q60, R40. P80 plus Q60 plus R40. Then 190. Look, simple. Again, once more, here draw a triangle and one parallel line. We named them Q, S, T, P, R. S, D and P are parallel lines. Here also S, T and P are parallel line. Parallel lines. Okay. ST and P are parallel lines. They already given Q. This Q is the common angle. Common angle. Here no two angle. Large angle and small angle. Large angle PQR. Large angle. Small SQT. Small angle. This is the Q is the common angles of two angles of Q. Okay. Q is the common angle of the two triangle. Okay. One triangle and number two. Big and small. Again PQR. Q is the angle. Then small SQT. Common. Ready? Then we want to find here the corresponding angle used here. Here 60 degree. Here Q is 60 degree. Here also 60 common angle. This is the common angle. Here 60 degree. Okay. And here also 40. Here 40 degree. Here 40 degree. Then look at this sum of the angle. Sum of the angles of a triangle. 80, 60, 40. 60 plus 40, 100 degree. 100 plus 80, 180 degree. Here get a 180 degree small angle. Then big or large angle PQR. 80 plus 60 plus 40. Okay, large angles also 180 degree. Here we prove that all angles or sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Here prove, clear. Are you clear? Okay, very good. And draw this triangle and write these points. Okay, right. Okay. I think today I explained to you three activities. I think all students in the class understand it. Okay, I will show a chart for you. Okay, I think all students in the class follow these three activity. You should complete your notebook and show me these videos watching again and again, then understand it. It's very so simple. So thank you. Meet again.